Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and welcome to Pure Reviews. If you are new to my channel, I review all kinds of products, so please do help the channel out. Hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really does help. If you find this video helpful, feel free to comment in the comments section, and be sure to hit that like button and share with a friend. So today's device that I wanted to talk to you about is by DeWALT. You can pick this up at any of the major hardware stores, Amazon, etc. I'll include a link in the description, make it easy for you if you want to check it out. But it is a cordless air inflator, and I love this thing. So I have a lot of the DeWALT battery devices where you can interchange the batteries. And if you have those, I highly recommend getting this because it is great for keep it in your car, in case you get a flat tire, filling up bicycle tires, basketball, soccer balls, pool floats, you name it. It's all very portable and very easy to use. And so let's go over everything you get once you get it out of the box. So this is the box, pretty straightforward. Once you open it up, you get the device here. And I'll start off right off the bat on the bottom here. This is where the battery goes. Now, it does not come with a battery, so you have to have one of these or buy one separate if this is your first device. But you just slide this in, and then it will charge the battery if you plug it in, or you can use it remote. So here on this little trap door here is where you plug it in if you want to plug it into a not USB drive, but a cigarette lighter, or they sell a adapter where you can plug it into a standard outlet. So it does come with this. This is for one of the reasons I say keep it in your car. Cigarette lighter, plug it in, good to go. You don't even need the battery then. I do wish they included the actual plug in the wall because there's some times that I would prefer that over the cigarette lighter, but for whatever reason, that's an extra add-on item. So. And as you saw, this stores nicely in here. So that's one of the big things I like about this. They thought about how everything is attached and how everything is stored, which is really, really nice. So on this side is your typical air inflator for basically a car. So you have the end piece here, and then on the other side here, you've got the various adapters. So you got an adapter for the balls or tires. Then you got this other one, which you'd actually screw this on for that guy. And then you have this is naturally just automatically built for a tire on a car. And then you have another one if you're got like a tube or something like that just is a straight, lets the air out right there. So then once again, it all clips nicely on this side here. So you just kind of wrap it around and it stays all nice and put together here. And then on the other side, you have another kind of larger tube. And this is what I use if you're going to have like a pool float or you're going camping, you need to do an air mattress or something like that. So you got a little tube here with a big nozzle, or you can attach this, and it's got the little hole here. This is great for pool floats because it keeps the flap open. And this is simple. You just plug it down here in the bottom where it shows a little air pushing out, and this is where the air comes out, and the air comes in here, and it fills up. Now, if you want to deflate it, you can do the same by plugging it in here, turning it on, and there you go. So it comes with everything you need to fill up any device that you can think of. And then on the front here, we'll kind of go over it. So the battery's in. You just hit the power button, turns on. Now it does come with a light, which is really nice on the handle here. So if you get a flat tire or you have a problem at night, you can light up and see what you're doing. But for over here, you can just hit the power button and go, especially if you're using this device. And if not, if you have you're wanting to fill up a bicycle tire or something with a very specific PSI, you kind of turn this wheel to what you want. So if you want 32 PSI, you set that, you hit this button, it'll start, and then right here, it will show you as you're getting closer to that PSI, and then it will turn off. So I'm going to turn it on here. It gets kind of loud, but just kind of so you can kind of see what it sounds like and how this green little works. You're obviously not going to see that because I'm not hooked up to a tire. But there we go. So yeah, that's it. It's pretty straightforward. Nice little versatile device. Great for any garage in your car. And like I said, I'll include a link down in the description if you want to check out more information on it and where to buy it. And if you thought this channel is great, please do hit that subscribe button. It always does help me out. And feel free to share and like the video. And until the next review, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.